Yeah, I put some chili powder. Ash, Lao Jungle Skirt style. No in the restaurant. To Luang Prabang. On the way, I want to buy some chili for cook my bird. Cook my bird. Actually, my bird already buy yesterday, last episode, but we want to cook on the way during time we go Luang Prabang. So here, I want to buy some chili powder. It's here. จะมีผงเผ็ดแห้งป่ะเผ็ดแห้งเลยตัวที่ตามตัวนี้มีน้ำมันเนาะป่ะมีเพราะตัวค่อยแดกได้ตัวที่มันตามแล้วเผ็ดอยู่ว่ะ Alright, so I buy some sticky rice. Continue to on the roadside. She better way have the water for cook our bird. Cannot wait. This morning because I'm very hungry already. Cannot wait. Alright, here we go. Luang Prabang. See on the road side. Not very good, but still okay. This is the roadside, baby. During time, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is Salapukun. Yeah. Just now I just saw two young boys. I want to stop to give them some candy, but suddenly I stopped. They run away already. I don't know why they're so scared of me. So now we found some young guy. We want to keep some candy for them. Huh? Yeah, we want to keep some for the children there. I don't know where they go, but in the northern side here, everywhere you can see those children along on the roadside. But so many people, they're so scared. You just stop for ask them to see whether they want the candy or not. They just straight away run away already. But lucky these three guys, they don't run away. We give some little bit candy for them. Here we are nearby Luang Prabang. Left 30 kilometers, but consider not very far. So now we want to continue over there, and some village I can see very high up there. I don't know the road is to go up there or not, but okay, we want to go there. But now my wife, she's so tired and I'm so hungry already. I want to cook my birds now. I want to cook my birds here. So yeah, I want to cook my birds in this place. So now I want to cook my bird. The first thing I want to take this ice box. She very tired. And we also very hungry. I can show you this one ice block. What I have here. Alright, here, this is my bird. Alright, I have 2 more birds. Actually, I want to keep some for cook later, but I think maybe now I want to cook all these 3 and keep it. Yeah, let's try. My gas cylinder, my smoke gas tank is ready, and I heard my bird is already. So I want to get a fire for process my bird first. Yeah, I want to process my bird. Yeah, now it's ready. Okay, 1, number 2 is here. Okay, so now my 3 bird is ready. I want to wash it clean. Now my bird, 3 birds is already. So next step is I want to process it. I want to cut and clean. Now put it here. I have some water in my ice box. So here is a roadside. I just wash a little bit here and cut here. This is my knife. Actually, in here you cannot clean 100%. Just clean whatever we can do. Just do whatever we can do. Actually, this bird is used for barbecue. Is very good, but I worry my time is not enough because of my wife is already very hungry and she rests there. I don't want to take so long time for this bird. Alright, so now I have 3 birds right now, but I think I want to keep 1 and just cook 2. Yeah, better just cook 1. Better just keep 1 and cook 2. I want to keep 1. Maybe this boy, I want to keep it. Into the ice box. And cook this 2. My ice box I can cut here, don't worry. Okay, I just put together with my water. Maybe I don't know can see or not, but you know how easy if you want to go to the restaurant, just order and pay money, order, eat, then pay, then gone. But you see here, I have to do everything because of a Lao Jungle Secret style. I have to cook myself. This lemongrass, but I don't have garlic. I forgot to bring some garlic. I only have some chili powder, lemongrass, put one more. This is my herb. Maybe I want to cook finish it. And this water is so expensive. This water and so expensive. I don't want to clean this herb. Actually, they are already cleaned. I don't have spoon. My wife not bring along. Yeah, I put some chili powder. So now I hope this is ready. I have to try one. With a leg. No more fat because of this bird. They already catch for so many days. So my wife, I mean, is already, but I feeling like she have nothing. She have something, not enough. So making the taste not very good. And some more. I didn't know this bird is so slim, no fat at all. No good. And I shoot myself, should be better, but now I'm trying to stop shooting. Every time I fail. Throw away. Okay. Use some skill right. It's my water. This towel, but if you have more time for barbecue, it will be better. This will be lunch. As Lao Jungle Skirt style. No in the restaurant. I cook myself. Too salty. Now we have to continue to this road to Luang Prabang. And my car is turned like this because we come from here and you turn for cook our bird. This fucking bird. No good.